Hello, Atomians. Hello, first-time guests. Hello, leaders. A pleasant afternoon to all of us. Okay? So, time flies so fast, di ba? Halos matatapos na po natin yung first month of first month of 2026. Tama? So, I've come to realize, no, akmang-akma po yung battle cry natin, nakakasabi lang po ng ating MC. Ano nga po ulit yung ating theme for 2026? Speed of decision, absolute immersion. Alright? So, meaning, we need to decide faster. Di ba? Huwag patumpik-tumpik. And then, we have to immerse fully and success follows. I am Diamond Master Marlene Gutierrez from Clark Imperial Center. And today we will be going to discuss some of Atomy's health supplements. Anyway, have you taken your lunch? Parang dito nag-lunch, dito hindi nag-lunch. Nag-lunch po ba lahat? I hope so. Kasi pag gutom po kayo, hindi kayo makaka-focus. Pag nasobrahan naman kayo ng busog, tutulugan nyo kami. Okay? So wala pong matutulog. Tama po. Did you know, Atomians, that health starts with what we put on our plate? Naniniwala po tayo doon. Tama? And proper nutrition fuels our body, supports our immunity, and keep us strong and energized. Energized po ba tayo? Dito, energized po ba? Yes! Grabe ang energy. So today, I am tasked to discuss some of Atomy Health supplement. And before I will start my discussion, I want to start this by asking you a question. Why do we need health supplements? Okay? Pwede or baka sa inyo po, naglalaro yan sa isipan ninyo. Bakit sa tuwing seminar ni Atomy laging may health supplements? Pero kung minsan, maririnig natin sa iba, pinag-uusapan, hindi naman daw natin kailangan ng mga health supplements. Tama? Lalo na if we choose the right food. Ngayon, ang totoo naman, yung sinasabi nilang yon. Kaya lang, nakita po no, sa survey, na kahit may pagkain po sa hapagkainan, hindi po yun nakakasapat. Hindi po yun nami-meet yung nutritional requirement na kailangan natin. Okay? Lalo na kung hindi maganda yung ating lifestyle. So kaya, pumasok sa picture ang mga health supplements. Bakit? Magtatanong tayo, bakit? Number 1, support nutritional demands. Pregnant women, growing children, and old adults, tanggapin man po natin at hindi, kailangan po yan ng supplements. And number 2, yung merong mga specific diet na, like for example, vegan, low carb. So, we need to supplement yung kanilang diet. And lastly, those who are meron ng mga medical and health condition like diabetes and hypertension. The question now is, given the fact na kailangan po natin ng health supplements, are all supplements safe and effective? The answer is no, definitely no. And thanks to Atomy's absolute quality, absolute price product philosophy. Our chairman, Park Han-Hill, is true to his promise, and he really believed that high-quality products with reasonable price is the secret para maging successful po yung negosyo natin. Tama? So, going beyond satisfaction para magkaroon ng loyal consumer. Di ba yan ang gusto natin? And have you ever experienced na habang nagsuscroll po kayo no, sa online shopping platform, nagkakaroon tayo ng second thought kung, ay nako, baka fake ito. Or baka naman meron po tayong trust issues sa mga seller. Meaning to say, yung trust is being questionable. Tama? But here in Atomy, trust is never questionable. Because once you see the product na nandyan na po sa website. Take time for the first timer, please take time po to see, no, or check our website. There are a lot of products available for us, starting from health products, beauty products, personal care, home care, and others. And once you try them, ito lang po ang promise, you will never stop using them. Okay? So, this seminar is actually a good opportunity for us to learn. Paglabas po dito, walang magsasabi sa atin na ito ang tama, na ito ang dapat gawin. So, importante, maintindihan po natin, particularly kung ano ba yung mga products na ino-offer po natin sa ating mga consumer. And for today, here are the featured products, Hemohim and Finezyme. Some of you, baka kayo po ay mga busy mom. Marami po dito, mga busy mommy, taking good care of everyone sa family natin while constantly feeling tired or getting sick easily. Diba? Ganun yung nanay. Or maybe, some of you are professional. No? Mga toxic sa stress, handling stress, daily, meeting deadlines, dealing with toxic people. Kaya kahit nagre-rest ka, pakiramdam mo, drained ka pa rin. Meron dito, marami akong nakikita, mga senior citizen, wanting to stay strong, active, and independent. Different lifestyle, pero merong isang common na problema. Our immune system is under constant stress, constant pressure because of stress, lack of proper nutrition, environmental pollutants, and yung everyday demands po natin. My dear Atomians, Hemohim is not created to chase trends. Okay? Yung susulpot siya ngayon, sa susunod wala na. Okay? And hindi rin po siya nagbibigay ng miracles. It was actually developed for people who want to support their body at the root level so that makarespond po tayo better to stress. Sino ba hindi nasi-stress dito? Lahat tayo. But it's important that we handle it properly. To fatigue. Sino hindi napapagod? And recovery for those who have illnesses. Are you one of them? Siyempre, isa tayo dun sa mga gustong suportahan yung ating pong katawan because when we are healthy, we are productive. Alright? So what does Hemohim stands for? Sa mga first-time guests po natin, maintindihan po natin from the word itself or from the name itself, Hemohim. Hemo means blood. Tanong ko lang po, is there any single internal organs na walang dumadaloy na dugo sa loob ng katawan natin? None. Diba? Even the smallest vein in our body, kailangan po yan ng dugo. And H stands for hematopoiesis, meaning it's the blood production. Tama? Immunity is for I and M is for modulator. Lagi kong sinasabi, where in this world na makakakita po tayo ng product na kayang balansihin yung ating dugo. Kung merong mababa ang white blood cell mo or hindi balanse ang platelet mo, Hemohim can actually do that. Alright? So, let's take a look at this illustration. Our body can actually create 100 billion cells every day inside the bone marrow. Yung nakikita po ninyong yan yung mga bones na kung saan nag-produce ng dugo yung katawan natin. Dito sa ating breastbone, sa ating pelvic, sa ating pong mga, anong tawag doon? Spare ribs. Biglang spare ribs, no? Yung ribs natin, nandiyan yung bone marrow po natin. Okay? Biglang nag-isip, nilagang spare ribs, no? Alright. Kaya nga pag kumain ka ng bulalo, di ba, ang sarap-sarap ng bone marrow. But actually, that's the healthy fats that our body is needing. Okay? Now, doon po, sa loob ng bone marrow, may tinatawag na hematopoietic stem cell. Okay? Yung hematopoietic stem cell na yon, nako-convert siya or gumagawa siya ng blood cells depending on the body's need. Okay? Kung nasistress ka, nasistress din po yung ating blood production. Okay? And then, yung ating red blood cells na pinoproduce ng ating bone marrow, yun po yung nagdi-deliver ng oxygen throughout the body, including the smallest vein na meron tayo, na makikita natin sa kidneys natin and to our retina. Okay? Now, what is the role of white blood cell? Diba? Hindi pwedeng blood cell, walang white blood cell. Kasi po, importante ito. Ito po yung ating mga sundalo sa katawan natin. Sila po yung nagde-depend sa atin pag merong mga viruses and pathogens, no, na pumapasok sa katawan natin. Sila yung ating mga pandepensa. And the platelet is the one na kapag nasugatan kayo, magtataka kayo tuloy-tuloy ang dugo, pero after naman naaampat. No? It controls the blood clotting sa ating pong katawan. Maintindihan lang po natin, ito lang po, maintindihan natin na ang blood production and our immunity is biologically connected. Magkaugnay po yan at hindi pwedeng paghiwalay yun. Therefore, we conclude kung maayos ang production po ng ating dugo, definitely maayos po ang ating immune system. Tama? Alright. And because of this, why? Because yung pagka-healthy po kasi yung hematopoiesis natin, sinusupport na maging robust yung ating immune health. Parang kahantulad lang po natin siya sa isang manufacturing industry. Pagka maayos ang sistema, productive ang mga trabahador, ang mga empleyado, productive po ba ang environment? So actually, yan po ang ginagawa ng hemoheme. It supports our body, it supports our immunity, the totality from the root itself. Okay. So healthy hematopoiesis, sabi ko nga, it supports the robust health and minsan nagkakaroon ng disruption. No? Nasisira yung actual na proseso due to stress, number one. May iwasan po ba natin ang ma-stress? Hindi. Yung inflammation, hindi natin yan nakikita sa katawan natin, pero ramdam mo yan. Pag masakit na yung tuhod mo, masakit na yung balakang mo, masakit na yung mga litid-litiran mo, inflammation na yan. May diabetes ka, inflammation na po yan. Okay? Yung environmental factors, yung hangin na nilalanghap natin araw-araw, yung tubig na iniinom natin araw-araw, and the disease that can actually harm our body. So pag may sakit na, productive pa ba? Hindi. Yun nga lang, sumpungin ka ng migraine, makakapag-isip ka pa ba? Hindi na, di ba? So ano yung ating battle cry? Speed of decision. Take action, take hemoheme. Alright. So anong proof natin? Paano natin mababalidate lahat ng ating discussion? Here are the 36 papers that supports yung kiniklaim po natin. And makikita nyo po sa slide natin, the number one who has the highest published studies is the immunity improvement. Okay? Pansin nyo po ba, pag i-compare yung isang tao nagtitake ng hemoheme, nagkaroon ng flu, mas mabilis ang recovery niya compare dun sa tao na hindi nagtitake ng hemoheme. Tama? Pagka ikaw madali kang mapagod, compare mo dun sa nag-hemoheme, mas higher ang energy ng tao nag-hemoheme. Kaya nga tayo energetic ngayon because I do believe tayo lahat nag-take ng hemoheme. Tama po? Alright. Okay. And there are other studies like fatigue improvement, anti-inflammatory, skin diseases, anti-cancer, antioxidant, anti-obesity, and others. Okay? As a summary, bago po kayo lumabas ng seminar hall na to, meron akong 3 bagay na gustong iwanan sa inyo na tatandaan natin when we hear Hemohim. Number 1, it activates the natural killing cell. Ibig sabihin, gising po yung mga sundalo natin sa katawan. Alerto. Yung mga sundalo natin, kayang sagupain yung mga kalaban. Hindi sila tutulog-tulog. Okay? Pag nakita nila, ayan, aandar, gagana na sila. Gagawin na nila yung trabaho nila. And number 2, it activates immune cells. Ito po yung merong teamwork. No? Kapag yung ating pong katawan, walang teamwork, yung ating mga sundalo, mahirap po. But here, they are acting as one, performing their own duty. Hindi sila confused. No? Alam nila yung trabaho nila. Gising sila. Okay? And number 3, it creates cytokines. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Ito po yung communication system, the commanding system na nasa loob ng katawan natin. They are soldiers na alam kung ano yung gagawin. Sila, yung cytokine siya yung magbibigay, ikaw, tumakbo ka. Ikaw, lumakad ka. Ikaw, bilisan mo. Merong pong ganon. So, 3 benefits that Hemohim can actually help us are these 3. Okay? To prove lang po, I just want to show you in brief, one of my friend who happens to be our neighbor, na meron pong mass, ayan, makikita niyo siya. Paano ba? Meron siyang endometrial mass, sa matres. Kaya po, for almost 3 months, dinudugo siya. Okay? And then, meron din siyang polycystic ovaries. Yan, yung nasa gitna po. She's 39 years old, sa Pampanga, isa po siyang lawyer. And kailangan po siyang masalinan din ng dugo dahil constant yung bleeding. So kung makikita nyo po dyan, nung nagpa-test siya, it's July 23. And then nag-repeat po siya ng test niya is, August 2, 2024. Same pa rin ang lumabas. By October, tinawagan niya ako dahil nakita niyang pinupost ko lagi yung Hemohim. And nag-start po siya ng October. Nagpa-test po siya noong November 19, 2024. So, kailan nag-start? July. Nag-start po siya ng August, September, October, November. And here is the result. Did you know how many boxes of Hemohim did she take? 1.5 boxes. That's why I am so very proud whenever I discuss Hemohim. Kasi ito po yung proof. Hindi po magsisinungaling. Alam niyo po ano lang pong isinama niya dyan? Yung iron. Kasi nga dinudugo siya. But, makita niyo naman, normal ovaries, thin and intact endometrium, and normal size uterus. That's the power of Hemohim. Okay? So moving forward, staying healthy requires effort and discipline. Naniniwala po tayo dyan. And choosing a healthy lifestyle and the right food is a must. Sabi nga nila, we are what we eat. No? But what if the problem is not what we eat, but how well our body digests it? Dalawa lang po ang pwedeng mangyari. Pagkakain po natin, it's either madadigest po yung kinain natin, or magiging fermented kimchi yan. Diba? Kaya po, maasim ang ating sikmura. Tama? So just to give you an idea, how long does your body digest common food. So let's take a look at this. Magtatanong lang po ako. Si Sir Nigel ang una ko nakita eh. Sir Nigel, may I ask you, what food have you eaten? Pwede kang pumili, no? What did you eat? Red meat, ayun. So, sir, how many hours kaya yung kinain mo madadigest? So, that's 46 hours. Tama? Sa mga nasa harap po dito, si ma'am, ano po ang lunch ninyo today? Kayo, ma'am? Chicken. So, let's see the picture. How long does a chicken can actually digest in our body? 3 to 4 hours. So, kung nag-lunch ka ng 12, ma'am, mamayang 3 pa lang yan. No? Bago yan, ma-digest. If you will notice sa ating pong slide, ang pinakamatagal na hours bago ma-digest is the red meat. Digestion starts from our mouth and proceed to our stomach and intestine. Dito, pumapasok ang role ng digestive enzyme na meron tayo sa ating sistema. Without digestive enzyme, walang digestion na mangyayari. Uulitin ko lang, magiging kimchi lang yan. Okay? At pagkapag wala pong digestion na nangyari, walang nutrient absorption. Tama? At pag walang nutrient absorption, anong mangyayari sa atin? Walang energy, inaantok, laging pagod. Yan yun. Analogy. Ang enzyme po has the digestive enzyme, kaya enzyme siya kasi sa loob ng isang sachet na ito, di ba? Meron pong 6 enzyme and coenzyme. Maintindihan lang po natin, di ba pag gusto nyong mag-smoothies, anong ginagamit ninyo? Blender. Blender is like an enzyme. Makina siya para tumulong magkaroon ka ng smoothie. Di ba? Ngayon, yung coenzyme, magkasama po ito. Hindi sila pwedeng maghiwalay. Partner sila, they are working together for a better health. Yung coenzyme, yan yung electricity. Kung walang electricity, walang power, magagamit mo yung blender mo. Kung makinarya ang ginagamit nila sa pagtunaw, magagamit ba yan ng walang gasolina? So, enzyme and coenzyme, they are working together to achieve faster absorption of nutrients. But, meron pong ibang tao na defective yung makina nila, resulting to indigestion. Hindi natutunawan, mabigat ang tiyan, di ba? Hindi mapakali, parang pakiramdam nila may gas, bloatedness, yung kahit konti lang ang kinain mo, pakiramdam mo, punong-puno yung tiyan mo. At ang pinakamasakit at ayaw ko maranasan yung tinatawag nilang acid reflux. Kasi umaakyat yan hanggang dito. Umaakyat siya hanggang dito. Mainit yung lalamunan mo. Alright? At may mga iba pang digestive health issues na nagkukos ng discomfort po sa atin. So, ikaw ba to? Sino po dito? Ang kabilang doon. May indigestion, may acid reflux, hindi natutunawan, laging may gas ang tiyan. Meron ba dito? Okay ka ba tiyan? Okay. So, wakasan na po natin yan through Atomy enzyme that boosts nutrients and absorption. So, yung isang sachet po, sabi ko nga po kanina, ito yung highlight. I-move ko lang po siya. Ito yung highlight nito. One sachet of enzyme has 6 digestive enzyme. Bakit nila nilagay ito? Kasi hindi naman po lahat maayos, no? Yung sistema ng panunaw natin. Okay? And then, there are 3 vitamins na isinama po rito. The vitamin B1, pantothenic, and biotin. Dahil po sa vitamin B1, nagiging magaan ngayon ang tiyan natin. Yung pantothenic acid po, it actually less kabag. no? You feel lighter and more energy. Yung biotin naman, ito yung pang-overall health kasi it helps digest proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Alright? Okay. Finezyme is actually a wonderful formulation brought to us by Atomy na kailangang i-take pagkatapos pong kumain. Kung yung probiotics bago kumain, yung Finezyme po after kumain. Okay? What is good about this is ang sarap po niya. Actually, sa mga nakatry na. And ang kagandahan niya, lasa siyang pineapple, na kung saan yung pineapple ay mayaman sa bromelain na tinatawag nila. Ano ba yung bromelain? Para kang kumuha ng isang matalim na kutsilyo na tumutulong sa pagkain kinain mo para matunaw agad. And actually, meron din po siyang dietary fiber doon sa mga merong problema sa bowel movement. So, it helps constipated person para mag-regular po yung bowel movement natin on a daily basis. So, kung ito ang problema mo, Finezyme ang solusyon dyan. Huwag mo nang patagalin yan. Okay? So, once again, I am Diamond Master Merlin Gutierrez from Clark Imperial Center. Let's all be healthy.